What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to the gym and we're talking about the 3 things that you might not be doing to gain muscle. I'm going to bring you with me through a back and shoulder workout. I'm going to show you exactly how to implement those tips and possibly improve yourself. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, kicking it off with tip number 1, eccentric contractions. A lot of people leave gains on the table by not focusing on this aspect. Eccentric contraction is lengthening the muscle fiber under tension. So in many cases, we are lowering the weight controlled with resistance. As you can see here in each exercise that I'm doing, I'm not just letting the weight slap back to the starting position. I'm slowly lowering the weight. I'm slowly letting the weight return back to where it started. It is a fact that our muscles are actually able to contract more forcibly in the eccentric fashion than they are either in isometric or concentric. So why not maximize this effect? I'm telling you, start focusing on your eccentric movements and you will notice a difference. The next tip will be focusing on isometric holds or static holds. You'll notice that at the end of each concentric movement, which is shortening the muscle under tension, I hold the weight there for a count of 1 to 3, depending on how tired I am. Now, a lot of what I do is focused around jiu-jitsu performance, and if you want to feel strong in a fight, this is a great way to do that. Isometric holds place a special kind of tension on the muscle that is very similar when you're holding body locks, submissions, or chokes in jiu-jitsu. My philosophy is, if I have muscles but I don't know how to use them, what good are they really? I like to look good, but I also want to perform well. The third tip will be to use appropriate weight. Now, while this might seem like a common sense kind of tip, many people overlook this. Time after time with my own eyes, I see people in the gym using way too much weight, slinging the weight around, using horrible form, not isolating the muscle. And while I am a fan of cheat reps under certain conditions, like bicep curls, this isn't something that I practice regularly with all of my exercises. Using the appropriate weight means you're going to get a greater range of motion, which means you're going to train the muscle in a more well-rounded way. Do you want to train a portion of that specific muscle, or do you want to train all of that specific muscle? If you want better results, you need to be training in a full range of motion. It took a long time to rid my mind of the desire to ego lift, and it's something I still struggle with from time to time, but it's been completely worth it.
Never met a match I couldn't handle. No one else could ever hold a candle. Get ready for a battle, 'cause you know
And last but not least, your final bonus tip, mindset. If you watched this video, saw me, and thought to yourself, I'm never gonna look like that, well, guess what? You're never gonna look like that. I'm a big advocate of not comparing yourselves to others, but I'm also a big advocate of finding a role model and drawing motivation from that. There's nothing wrong with finding someone and emulating their level of success that you're trying to chase down. You need to do what works for you, and doing that with a positive mindset is the surest way to see it through till the end. So next time you're in the gym, use these 3 tips: slow eccentric movements, static holds, and using the appropriate weight. Combine that with a positive mindset and just watch what happens. We're all about slow, safe, and sustainable goals here on this channel, ones that you can ride well into your later years in life. This is not an 8-week goal. This is not a 10-month goal. This is a lifestyle, and I want to be here to help you achieve that. So that's all I got. Guys, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you want to see next, and don't forget, eat plants, train hard, feel good. I'll see you in the next one.